Good morning everybody, or good afternoon when you're watching this. I've actually brought you outside today. I thought we'd start our final assembly of 2021 outside. Look, it's very early in the morning. You can see all the lights around. There's big LIPA up there. And do you remember last week I was talking about our penultimate assembly? Well, this one is our final one. And just have a little think about it. Since September, when you started year 1 or year 5 or even reception, doesn't matter what year, think of what you've done. Think of what you've achieved in your learning, doing good things, all in those classrooms there. Let's have a little look across the road. There's no cars coming, it's very quiet. Look at all the lights. So since September, what have you achieved? What are you most proud about? Because this is your last assembly of 2021. Okay, back inside now, back inside the warm. Now, thank you if one of these belongs to you, but they're coming down. And let me explain why, in that I have to rotate. I get so much work brought in from home. Look, there's all that waiting to go up. So I've got to rotate it. I never throw it away. I'm going to put it in a file because it's always nice to show you 2 or 3 years later when you've done a piece of work for me and we have a smile about that. What have I had this week? Well, I've had Sammy doing some work for me where he's combined the addition with the numbers, and I've got a Christmas picture which I thought was very nice, very detailed. I love this. So there's Santa. But it's not just Santa, it's Santa Maths, which is great. Jump to this one, I got this one yesterday, a lovely Christmas tree for the wall, which can go with my Christmas cards. So thank you for all of those, but the one I'm giving the book to this week, and there are all the books, is Keris. So Keris has been really busy at home, and she said to Mrs. Parker, I've been doing research. And she's been doing research about all of our captains. So our captain, like Captain Inquisitive, Imaginative, Captain Discipline over there. There's Captain Persistent. So she did all of this research, and that's the word she used, on her own, which I think shows fantastic discipline, imagination, inquisitiveness, and persistence. There's 4 of our captains. So Keris, come along and choose your book. Well done. But thanks everybody, and we will change the board. So next question, who has got a birthday in December? So if you've had a birthday this week, stand up, very close to Christmas. Remember, after this week, we'll celebrate your birthdays in the first assembly back, which will be on the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, Friday the 7th of January 2022. Wow. If you've had a birthday, stand up this week. Tell us what you got, maybe what you've done, definitely how old you are. Are you ready for my last birthday singing of the year? Let's make it the best one. Okay, drums, are you ready? Guitars, are you ready? The horn section, let's go. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday if you've had a birthday this week, which is really near to Christmas. Happy birthday to you. And give them a clap. Certificates. We're going to do them all at the same time. So teachers, we're going to have a mega pause in a minute. We're going to do Head Teachers Award. We're going to do Math Star Award. We're going to do Reading Award. Teachers, it's time to press pause now. Well done everybody, you've got the last, if it's you, you've got the last one of the year. Show me when you come downstairs how great to be able to say, Mum, or Dad, my Christmas list. Check that out. What a nice little reminder for all those parents who are working with Father Christmas to do Christmas lists at the minute. Great timing, well done, well achieved, but well done whenever you've had one of these in 2021. More of them in 2022. Now, because this is our last assembly, there's a few bits of assembly we're not doing today. So shout outs, That's back in January. Jokes back in January. I'm also going to have a good think over Christmas to see what other sections, maybe we need to refresh a new section. If you've got a good idea actually for a new section of the assembly, let me know. But what usually happens on a Thursday is I email all the teachers and I say, if you've got any shout outs, let me know. So I've not done that this week because we've got no shout outs. But Miss Wright emailed me on Wednesday night and said, hope you're okay. I am. Can I request a few shout outs before I forget, please? Can we give a huge shout out to Ian in Stanley Park? He's an absolute superstar and embodies, that's a good word, each and every one of our LIPA captains. And also, she says, can I sneak another one in, please? You can. We would love to give a big shout out to Matty in Stanley Park too. This week, Matty read a story to the class in Italian and also wrote her Christmas card in Italian too. We're so lucky at LIPA Primary School to have so many different languages. We were really blown away, what a star. So those are two special shout outs because Miss Wright got them in so quickly. All right, time to press pause again because even though it's our last assembly, we've been working towards gold. All the golden winners were put on the wheels. Jacob and I spanned them this morning and we have the winners. Teachers, there is an email there that tells you who's won. Please open it now. Well done to all those 6 winners, and along with Keris, who got won a book for all that research you did. Come along to the office this afternoon. Make sure that you get your book before you go home for Christmas and you can read it over Christmas. How good is that? Well done, everybody. Okie dokie. Now, where are they? They're here somewhere. Here they are, the golden medals. Okie dokie. Who are they this week? So each week, as you know, we have 4 of them. And the teachers choosing them are Miss Berry, Miss Lyons and Mrs Heaney. So Miss Berry, tell your class who's won. Miss Lyons, tell your class who's won. Miss Heaney, tell everyone who's won. And you're thinking, hold on a minute, that's only 3. Who's choosing the other one? It's my turn this week. Now, and I had a good long think about it. It's really hard doing this. The teachers tell me, oh, Miss Margaret, it's so hard, we can't choose. But they're right. And why are they right? Because you make it so difficult for us to choose with your behaviour, with your work, with your manners. And that's a good thing. Now, so I was kind of thinking, you know how I love the beginning and the end of the day when I see you and your parents and all that sort of stuff? And at the end of the day, we always have some children whose mums and dads, maybe because they've got prams or whatever, we take them out. And I thought, so I was thinking about that group, and I've chosen one person who every single night when we go home is sensible. She always says to me, Mr. Parker, there's my dad or there's my mum, and ultra sensible, and I know she's around school, and I know she works hard. So Ashnor, this is yours. Well done. Okay. Right, that's it for 2021, everybody. We are done. What a 2021 it's been. Well done to everybody. 2022 is round the corner. Have a lovely Christmas break, and we will see you with a new assembly in 2022.